Hi everybody, it's good to be back here on this video series on Money Market Fund. My name is Pius Mushire Mugo, the Managing Director of NABO Capital. And today I want us to address what triggered the invention of Money Market Fund. And I was doing a little research, and I was surprised by what I discovered. Money market funds actually were triggered by interest rate caps. And I know in Kenya we've been talking about interest rate cap until recently when they were repealed. But in the US, in the early 1970s, they were also having a similar conversation on interest rate caps. So when that happened, it sort of limited the banks from offering attractive interest rates to investors. And cash investors had to think of alternative ways of investing their money and earning the higher return that they were previously used to. And soon enough, there was a surge in inflation, and that just put more pressure for investors to find alternative ways of investing their cash. Brokers and other financial institutions began pulling investors together and investing their money in commercial papers and other debt securities. And that way, they began to bypass the banking law and invest directly into the borrower, that is the government and other corporate borrowers. And that is really what triggered the beginning of Money Market Fund. The first Money Market Fund was launched in 1971 by some two gentlemen. I think the name, if I recall correctly, was Bruce and Henry. Since then, the money market funds became extremely popular, and in the early 90s, the banks decided they wanted a piece of the action, and they began also to offer money market funds. And today, they control quite a significant share of the money market funds. The total money market fund industry today in the US is about $2.7 trillion. So it's such a significant market and a very important one, and has been a very important source of financing to governments, banks, and other corporate institutions. So there you go. That is how money market funds were invented, and that is how today we are also offering money market funds in Kenya, and NABO is one of the fund managers of money market funds in Kenya. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something new, and I look forward to catching you on the next video. This is Pius Mushire, Managing Director of NABO Capital. Please click on that button, subscribe, and speak on the next video. Thank you.